This simple trick can save you time and make your searches much faster and more fun. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable voice search on YouTube on your iPhone and start searching using just your voice. Ready? Let's go. First, open the settings on your phone. Once you're in settings, scroll all the way down, and at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the Apps section. Tap on it. In the Apps section, you will see a list of all the installed apps on your phone. Scroll through the list and find the YouTube app. Once you find it, tap on it. When you're on the YouTube settings page, right at the top, you'll see the microphone option. Tap the switch next to it to enable it. After you've enabled the microphone, let's exit the settings and open the YouTube app. When you're on the YouTube home screen, now tap on the search icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then, right next to the search bar on the right, you'll see the microphone icon. Tap on it, and that will automatically activate voice search. When you do that, simply say what you want to search for, such as the name of a video, a genre, or a topic, and YouTube will show you the appropriate results. This way, you'll save time and find what you're looking for faster. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, it would mean a lot to me if you leave a like on the video and subscribe to my channel for more useful tutorials. See you soon, friends, and thanks for watching.